Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a step to view your Instagram account password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your settings. Now scroll down, go to Google. Select your account, press and manage your Google account, and press on security. Now scroll down, go to password manager. Here you can see the option of instagram.com. Press on this. Enter your password. So here is your Instagram password. So this is the step to view your Instagram account password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.